If you need to view responses in SurveyMonkey, this tutorial will walk you through the process step by step so you can get straight to the answers you collected. Whether you're checking individual replies, looking for summaries, or reviewing your dashboard, this is a simple way to find the data you need without getting lost in the menus. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this one. Let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to SurveyMonkey. Once you're on the home page, make sure you're signed in to the account that owns the survey you want to review. If you manage multiple surveys, this is the best place to start because everything will be organized in your main account area. Next, click on Survey. This takes you into your survey list, where you can choose the specific survey you want to analyze. If you have several surveys running at once, take a second to select the correct one so you're looking at the right responses. After that, click on Analyze Results. This is where SurveyMonkey stores the response data and gives you the tools to inspect what people submitted. You'll usually find charts, summaries, and response breakdowns here, which makes it much easier to understand the feedback at a glance. Now, click on Question Summaries. This view is useful when you want to see how each survey question performed overall. It gives you a quick snapshot of the answers grouped by question, so you can identify trends, spot popular choices, and compare responses without reading every single submission one by one. If you want to go deeper, click on Individual Responses. This is the section you use when you need to see each response exactly as it was submitted. It's especially helpful if you're reviewing written feedback, checking for patterns in comments, or verifying a specific person's answers. Instead of looking at averages or charts, you can inspect each respondent's full submission from start to finish. Next, click on Dashboards. The dashboard view is great when you want a more visual summary of your survey data. It can help you present responses in a cleaner, more report-friendly format, which is useful if you need to share results with a team, a client, or your manager. This section makes it easier to turn raw answers into something that's simple to understand and present. And that's really all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you can go from the SurveyMonkey homepage to your survey results, question summaries, individual responses, and dashboards. Once you know where these options are, viewing responses becomes fast and easy every time. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.